Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by isolating the stained area and testing a hidden spot. This checks color fastness. Mix 1 part dish soap with 3 parts warm water in a bowl and pour a small amount of rubbing alcohol into a separate cloth. Once ready, dab the alcohol first to loosen ink. Do not rub press. Then use the soapy cloth to lift pigment outward. Keep a clean white cloth handy to blot. Changing cloths prevents redepositing ink. Once the ink begins to transfer, continue a controlled cycle. Apply alcohol for 30 to 60 seconds, then switch to soapy water and blot. You want to dissolve ink oils with alcohol, then emulsify and remove them with soap. This 2-step solves most prints. Use a soft brush to gently lift ink trapped in fibers. Make short strokes and follow with blotting. Make sure to replace cloths as soon as they show color so you're always lifting, not smearing. Repeat until most color is gone. Once the visible ink is reduced, rinse the area thoroughly with cool water to remove residue, then air dry or use low heat. If ghosting remains, pre-treat with a commercial stain remover or enzyme solution and let it sit overnight. This breaks down lingering pigments. Make sure to retest before full application. If a stubborn shadow persists, try a tiny spot of diluted bleach on color-fast material, or stop and see a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.